please sit back, close your eyes and relax. Make sure you are wearing some earphones or headphones. And pre-warning, this video contains loud noises. Life can play many different games. Ones that you don't expect. You can be over here, and then suddenly over here. But I don't have to tell you that. You know that yourself. Have you ever listened so close that you can hear your own heartbeat? Because I have. All the time, every second of every day. And sometimes, if you listen close enough, it gets faster and faster and faster and faster and faster and faster, and then and that's it. It got closer and closer and closer. They say in life that we get distracted very easily. Things get closer and things become unreal that you don't even know is going to happen. Closer and closer. I bet you didn't notice the beep was throughout the whole of this. That's it. As quick as that, I was in. Coffee. What could you do without it? It's nice though, isn't it? Coffee beans, bean by bean, gives you just a bit of a burst of energy. Yeah, but in all seriousness, there is nothing better than a big mug of It's the only thing I can keep up doing this. It's jogging. I'll get there one day, I promise. 5k and I'll be there. If you listen close enough, things don't become real anymore. They start flying around your head as if you're imagining it. Listen.
And then things don't really seem as big as they are, because they get closer and closer and closer, and then you don't really know what to do anymore.
You don't really know what to do. And as quick as that, fun stops. We go out for walks, runs, things to keep us going in life, and life sometimes isn't that easy. Sometimes it gets closer and closer, and too close you can't even take it no more. And we're just left to get on with it like normal. I'm sitting there, minding my own business, working out which part of the brain is working better. My left or my right. Life is like that though, isn't it? You never know what is around the corner. It could be here. Or even here. Slowly, closer. They start to come to the door. Closer. Soft. Closer. On either side of the room. Closer. They're just coming. Closer. Closer. Get closer, closer, and closer. For the final time. I don't know why I'm here. You could tell me everything that I've done wrong in my life.